Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and I appreciate you being here at the channel today. And for those of you that have not yet done so, please hit that subscribe button. And if you find the information I provide beneficial, please hit that like button as well. Now, a couple things before we jump into our topic today. Number one, if you have topics that you would like to have discussed, if you have topics that you would like to have explored here on the channel, if there's additional training that you'd like to see talked about, feel free to let me know. You can drop your message in the comments below. Feel free to email me. My email is in the description box below. Or if you prefer, direct message me on Twitter at Jim, G-Y-M, at Jim Consultant for any topics that you'd like to have discussed here on the channel. And number two, for you folks that are looking to start a brand new gym, or for anyone who's looking to expand, you're looking to remodel, you need some additional funding, click the funding link in the description box below. We've been able now to make funding available between as low as $50,000 all the way up to $250,000, without collateral. So click it, fill out the information, and you'll be on your way to potentially getting funding for your facility. So be sure to check that out. Now, with that said, our topic here today, it's 7 easy ways to increase gym sales fast. 7 easy ways to increase gym sales fast. And so number one, target a specific niche market. Pick a particular niche that you want to focus on, okay? And then go for it, okay? You might, for example, you might say, hey, I'm going to target new moms. I'm going to target new moms. And so I'm going to contact the local maternity hospital, and every mom that has a baby, we're going to give them all a free week, and we're going to give dad a free week, and we're going to help them out. And there's 3 maternity hospitals in my area, and there's hundreds and hundreds of babies being born every day, and mom wants to get fit. That's where we're going to target. And you can target, all the stores, that cater to all of that. That's a great resource. And of course, you can market this on social media. So that's an example of there's a niche market that you can focus on. You can start having stroller classes. The baby's in the stroller, and you're pushing them around. You're going around circles around the building, maybe. Okay, but you're going to target a specific niche market and pick what you want. There's hundreds and hundreds of these things. It could be a deconditioned audience, an audience. Hey, who I'm talking to now is anyone who's not exercised in at least 12 months. Okay, so a specific niche market, instead of being so broad. Hey, if you want to get fit, come on in. Okay, very broad. Narrow it down, focus on that. That's number one. Number two, promote your own unique selling position, your own USP. Promote your own unique selling position. And so, unique selling position, what are you doing in your marketplace that nobody else is doing? What makes you different? What is it? What makes you different? Promote it and promote it and promote it. When you really get that message out there on true differentiation, you really eliminate your competition at that point. Okay, if you truly are doing something that's different, nobody else is, there's no competition there. So take a good look at that. Promote your own unique selling position, and maybe build on that a little bit. But what is it? Have you thought about your unique selling position? Promote it. Let everybody know. Scream it from the rooftops. Number three, never advertise without an offer. Never advertise without an offer. And I might even plug in there, when you do this advertising with this offer, create some urgency in there. Okay, create some urgency. But always have an offer. Give them an offer. If you want them to respond now, if the purpose of your marketing is get the phone to ring, the door to swing, the email to ding, the text to ping, if that's the purpose of your marketing, you want to have an offer and have some urgency, have a deadline, call now, final 2 days, or something similar. Okay. Number four, collect contact information and use it to follow up. Collect contact information and use it to follow up. So any lead that you collect, you want email, you want name, you want email address, you want cell phone. Any lead you get over the internet, name, email address, cell phone. Don't just give somebody your business card. Get theirs. Okay. You might be working an event, somewhere, and people are going to register. They're going to register to win something you're giving away, a free 1-year membership. Name, email address, phone number. Grab this contact information every single time, but then follow up. And a quick tip on this whole issue of follow-up, the quicker the better. Speed sells. Everything moves really quick, okay? And even things like internet leads. I mean, there's data out there that'll show that if you'll contact this internet lead within 5 minutes, they're 9 times more likely to buy from you. I talk to so many folks, and I ask them, how long does it take you to follow up? Well, Jim, I'm really fast on follow-up. We'll get back with them within 24 hours. 5 minutes is the number you're looking for if you can. Okay, realize if it's 2 in the morning, there could present some challenges there. But 5 minutes, so do it quick. So collect their contact information and then use it to follow up. And don't just follow up once or twice or 3 times. More sales are made between that 5th and 12th actual contact. Okay, so, and you can check out other videos here on the channel about how we do that, how we become a resource center to them, and how we properly do that. Number 5, remove the obstacle of risk. Remove the obstacle of risk. Okay, take risk out of the equation. You might run 20 fitness and exercise visits, $20. Try us out, then decide. That could be your marketing. You might run 3 classes, 3 fitness and weight loss classes, $19. Try us out, then decide. Okay? Take away the element of risk. Okay? If you have a money back guarantee, let them know. If it's a conditional money back guarantee, let them know. But take out the obstacle of risk. And one of the simplest ones, hey, try us out, 15 visits, $7.95. Try us out, then decide. Okay, great way to get folks in. And then, of course, you want to have a proper process when they come in on how to properly disposition those folks. Number 6, we want to diversify. Okay, we want to diversify. And here's the truth of this: when we talk about diversifying, you can get more business sometimes from your current customers than you can from new customers, because we want something that's going to increase sales fast, right? Consider having an add-on special. Okay, maybe it's a 3-day event inside your club. You can add on a family member. Special rate. These 3 days only. Add on a family member. If you don't have an add-on special or add-on opportunity, think about maybe getting one. Number 2, upgrade your membership. Upgrade these 3 days only. Upgrade your membership. Okay, to more features, more facilities, more this, more that. Okay, you can upgrade. Okay, another great resource for you. And in the numbers you'll find about 20% will start taking advantage of this. Okay, but make those offers available. Make sure it's good for the customer. Okay, it's not just for you. Okay, it's good for your customer. Okay, but look at that kind of diversification. How about selling personal training? I mean, even sending out an email blast. Marketing your personal training programs. Marketing retail. I mean, I can think of folks that they've posted things on social media about, hey, here's a new T-shirt we're putting out. And all of a sudden that thing goes viral, and they've got people buying it from all over the country. Okay, so we want to sell to our current customers as well. And not only is this a quick and a lot of times simple way to improve revenues, it's also when people are buying more and they're more engaged, they're going to stay with you longer. Okay, so take a look at that one as well. And then lastly on our list, never stop testing. Never stop testing. Always test your marketing. Always test what you're doing. Test different things. What works better? 20 fitness and weight loss visits for $20, or 5 visits for $5, or 3 classes for $19. We had a club one time that we did this with Groupon, and this was a group. They were charging about $140 a month, and they did a Groupon program, and they simply advertised 3 classes for $19. and they had 900 people buy that. Okay, now that doesn't happen every time, but happened that time. Okay, but test this stuff out, see what works. 1 week, 2 week, what works best. So always be testing something, and you don't have to spend a lot of money testing, but you do want to test, because what you're not trying to do here, if you get into too much trial and error on this, and you're always kind of wonder what works when it doesn't work, it can get costly for you. So take a look at these 7 ways to easily increase your sales fast. See which ones can work from you. Start today. Okay, let's start making more sales today. And so, folks, if you find the information beneficial that I provide, please hit that like button. I appreciate it, and we'll see you all in that next video.